If you're wondering how to design a registration page in EverWebinar, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the key steps in this video so you can create a professional-looking registration page that drives conversions. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a way to use EverWebinar for free with exclusive bonuses, so make sure you don't miss that. First off, EverWebinar is an amazing tool for creating automated webinars, and one of the first things you'll need to set up is the registration page. The registration page is crucial because it's where your audience will sign up, so it's important to get it right. The first thing you'll want to do is head to your EverWebinar dashboard. Once there, you can click on the Webinars tab and select the webinar you want to create the registration page for. If you're creating a new one, just click the Create New Webinar button and follow the steps until you get to the page design section. Next thing, choose your template. EverWebinar gives you a variety of templates to choose from, each designed to fit different needs. Some are very simple, while others are more detailed with video players or countdown timers. Pick one that suits your webinar's branding and purpose. If you're unsure, you can always preview the templates to see which one best aligns with your vision. Now that you've chosen your template, the next thing is customizing it. You can start by adding your logo and adjusting your color scheme to match your branding. EverWebinar makes this process pretty straightforward with easy-to-use design tools. This is the stage where you can create a unique look for your registration page that feels professional and aligns with your content. The fourth thing is to add your registration fields. The default registration form will ask for basic information like name and email, but you can also add custom fields if needed. If you're offering an exclusive bonus or gathering specific data from your attendees, be sure to customize your registration form to include the fields that matter most. Next, you'll want to write a compelling call to action, CTA, on the registration page. A CTA encourages visitors to sign up for your webinar, so make it clear and persuasive. Something simple like, sign up now to save your spot, works well, but feel free to get creative. This is your chance to tell your potential attendees what they'll gain by joining your webinar, so make it enticing. After you've customized everything, you'll want to add your email reminder sequence. EverWebinar allows you to set up automated emails to remind registrants about your webinar. You can send a confirmation email immediately after they register, followed by reminders a day before, and then an hour before the webinar starts. This helps increase attendance by keeping your event top of mind. The next thing is setting up a thank you page. Once someone registers, they'll be redirected to this page. It's a great place to thank your attendees and perhaps provide additional information or bonuses related to your webinar. You could even add a link to a related product or service to keep them engaged after they sign up. Now, before you go live with your registration page, make sure to test it. Go through the process as if you were a user and check that everything looks good and works properly. From the form submission to the confirmation emails, testing ensures a smooth experience for your potential attendees. Finally, if you're looking for a way to start using EverWebinar completely free, click the first link in the description below. We've got an exclusive offer with extended free trials, so you can get started without any upfront costs. So there you have it. Designing a registration page in EverWebinar is straightforward, but with the right steps, you can create an engaging and high-converting page. Don't forget to check out the link for the extended free trial and bonuses. Thanks for watching.